You know, we're all looking for that secret sauce, right? That thing that gives us an edge. But what if I told you it's not about working harder? It's about working smarter on the inside. Today, we're going to dive into how you can actually reprogram your own mind for success.
I mean, think about it for a second. You see people out there grinding, putting in all the hours, but only some of them really truly seem to get ahead. So what gives? What's the secret? What actually separates them from everyone else?
Well, here it is. The answer isn't luck. It's not who you know. It's not even about being born with some magical talent. No. The real key, the game changer, is found inside our own heads, in the programming that we can actually change.
All right, so let's get into the nuts and bolts of how this works. I know, reprogramming your brain sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But believe it or not, this is based on some seriously cool, real science. We're literally talking about changing the physical wiring of your brain.
And the magic word here is neuroplasticity. This is the big idea that makes all of this possible. Basically, it just means that your brain isn't set in stone. Think of it more like plastic. It's flexible. It can change, create new connections, and reorganize itself based on what you think and do. And the best part, this works your whole life.
So what does that mean for us? It means we can take this amazing ability and use it on purpose. We can literally move away from that old programming, those negative thoughts that tell us we can't do something, and start building new pathways, new connections that actually empower us. It's about swapping out those old, stuck thought patterns for a new ability to learn and change.
Okay, so our brains are changeable. Awesome. But how do we actually do it? Let's get down to business. I'm going to give you a toolkit with 3 core techniques you can literally start using right now.
Here's the trifecta. First, we've got affirmations. That's all about changing your self-talk. Then, visualization, which is like creating a mental blueprint for success. And finally, gratitude, which totally shifts your focus. Let's dive into each one.
All right, first up, affirmations. And look, this isn't about just chanting positive things and hoping for the best. It's way deeper than that. Think of your subconscious mind like a garden. For a long time, maybe you've let the weeds of negative self-talk, that little voice of doubt, just run wild. Affirmations are how you start planting new seeds, positive, powerful seeds, and if you keep watering them with repetition, they're gonna grow.
So for example, if that voice in your head is always telling you you're not good enough, you fight back with something simple but powerful like this one. You're not just letting that inner critic have the microphone anymore. You're taking over and replacing its voice with yours.
Or how about this one? This is great because it gets specific. It's not just some vague "I'm a good person" thing. It's about owning what you already bring to the table. You are literally reminding yourself that you have the skills, you have the talent, right now.
Now this one is a total game changer. Why? Because it completely flips the script on how you see challenges. A setback isn't a dead end anymore. It's not a failure. It's a chance to learn something. Just this one little shift in thinking can change everything about how you deal with tough times.
Okay, tool number 2 in our kit, visualization. So if affirmations are the words you're feeding your mind, visualization is the movie you're showing it. This is all about painting a super vivid, detailed picture of what your success looks and feels like.
And I mean, really feel it. It's not enough to just see a picture in your head, you got to immerse yourself. So if you're visualizing a new business, what does that bustling office sound like? What's the feeling of closing that huge deal? You got to feel that pride, that accomplishment in your bones. That's the emotion that tricks your brain into thinking, hey, this is real, let's go get it.
And finally, our third tool is gratitude. I know, it might sound a little fluffy, but trust me, the science behind it is solid. When you make a point to feel grateful, you're basically training your brain to hunt for the good stuff. You stop focusing on what you don't have, that's a scarcity mindset, and start noticing all the awesome things you do have. That's an abundance mindset.
And it's so easy to do. You can start building this gratitude muscle in just a few minutes a day. Jot down 3 things you're thankful for in a journal. Actually tell people you appreciate them. Or just pause and look back at how far you've come. Seriously, these are small habits, but when you do them over and over, they create this amazing positive momentum in your life.
So we have these 3 amazing tools, right? Affirmations, visualization, gratitude. But for them to work at their absolute best, they need to run on the right software. Think of it like the operating system for your brain. And that OS is called a growth mindset. And this is maybe the most important part of the whole thing.
A fixed mindset tells you you are what you are, your talents are fixed. So when you fail, that's it. It's a judgment on you. But a growth mindset, that's totally different. It says your abilities can be developed. So a setback isn't a final verdict, it's just feedback. It's a chance to learn and get better. That one simple shift in belief, it changes absolutely everything.
Okay, so let's put all the pieces of the puzzle together now. Because these aren't just a random collection of neat tricks. They all fit together to form one powerful, complete strategy for rewiring your mind and really building your own paths to success.
So here's the full package, the complete success program. You've got affirmations to handle your internal dialogue, you've got visualization to create your mental map, you've got gratitude to keep your focus on abundance, and the engine driving the whole thing? That core belief in a growth mindset. See how they all work together? Each one makes the others stronger.
And really, this is the big idea I want you to walk away with. This isn't just about reaching some destination, like making $1 million. It's about changing your entire way of thinking and being. It's about installing a new internal system where success isn't something you chase, it's just something that naturally happens because of who you've become.
So there you have it. You see how it all connects. This isn't just interesting theory, this is a practical playbook. It's a call to action. And really, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready to start reprogramming your mind for success?